everyone, welcome back to 5 a.m. English Loop. I'm Greeshma, your favorite English buddy, and today we're diving into the very foundation of grammar, the mighty noun. Yep, the naming words that secretly run the whole language show. Think about it. No nouns, no names, no Netflix, no pizza, no you. Crazy, right? So, stay with me because we're about to break down the different types of nouns in a way that you will never forget. Ready? Let's get started. What is a noun? So, a noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Example, teacher, school, apple, happiness. These are name of something. For example, as you can see here, teacher is the name of a person. School is the name of a place. Apple, it's the name of a thing. And happiness, it's the name of an idea. Yes, that's right. Okay, so keep this in your mind. So, a noun is a word that names a person, a place, thing, or an idea. It's which means like examples are teacher, school, apple, happiness. Now, different types of noun. So we have a lot of different types of noun. Number one, it's a proper noun. It's a specific name. For example, Paris. Paris is the name of a city. Mr. John, it's a specific name of a person. So here we have two proper nouns like Paris and Mr. John. So these two are specific names. The second one is common noun. So common nouns are general names. So Paris is actually a city, right? So city is a general name. Mr. John is a man. So man is a general name. So these general names are called as common nouns. Now the third is concrete noun. So concrete noun means things which we can touch or see. Okay, so now look around. Can you see the table right there next to the kitchen door? Yeah, so table is something that you can see, that you can touch. So that's a concrete noun. So now think about a rainy day. You're playing in the rain. Yeah, so it's rain. Rain is a concrete noun which you can see, you can play in, you can touch, and so and so. So concrete nouns are things which we can touch or see. Okay, so now we have learned three different nouns. Which are they? Yeah, come on, which are they? Yes, so we learned proper noun, common noun, and concrete noun. Wow, great. Okay, so now let's move into the next different types of nouns. So, earlier we studied concrete noun, right? So the exact opposite of concrete noun is abstract noun, which is an idea or a feeling. As it is an idea or a feeling, you cannot touch it. You cannot feel it. Got it? You cannot touch it. You cannot feel it. Example, love. Can you touch love? Oh no, I can only feel it. Freedom. Freedom is an idea or a feeling which you cannot touch. Okay, so these are abstract nouns. So concrete nouns are things which you can touch, you can see, but abstract nouns are ideas or feelings which you cannot see or touch, which means love and freedom. Love and freedom. I love you. I got freedom. Yeah. So countable and uncountable. So countable means things you can count it, like books, apples, like one book, two book, one apple, two apple, five apple. I even have five apples in my bag. I hide it down under the bed. You know why? Because usually at night I gets hungry. So I always think like I should eat some apples at night. Yeah. So books and apples, they are countable. They are countable nouns as we can count it. So now next, yeah, so books and apples. Now next is uncountable noun. Yes, uncountable means we cannot count it. Water. Can you count water like one water, two water, three water? No. You cannot count it. Sugar, can you count sugar like one sugar, two sugar, three sugar? No, it's impossible. Yeah, so water, sugar, sand, air, which we cannot count, we call it as uncountable. So now, guys, could you please tell me which are the different types of nouns which we learn right now? Abstract noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun. So what were the first three? Common noun, proper noun, then concrete noun, and here abstract noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun. Wow, it was nice. So now let's move to the next. Here we have two more types of nouns. The first one is a collective noun. Collective noun is a group of something. For example, a group of, yeah, let me ask you one thing. Like, what's your favorite sport? I guess like most of the people will say football, but in case of me, I really love this basketball, but I don't know how to play it. That's another story. But I love basketball. So, basketball players collectively called as team. A collection of animals are called as herd. A herd of elephants. A team of players. A group of something. It's called as a collective noun. And now let's talk about material nouns. Material nouns means materials or substances like gold, wood, table, chair, any material can be considered as a material noun. So here we have gold, here we have wood. So these are different types of noun. So now, could you guys recollect the different types of noun? Okay, let me think about it. Yeah, in the first page we learned common noun. For example, no, first we learn proper noun, right? So proper noun example is, my name is Greeshma Salin. So Greeshma Salin is the proper noun. And common noun, what do we call commonly for these people? So we call them as, yeah, for example, girl, lady, man. So all these are common nouns. And now the third one is concrete noun, then abstract noun. And after that, we even learned about countable noun and uncountable noun. Then we learned about material noun. And then we learned about the collective noun. Wow! So we learned a lot. Amazing. So now we already knew what is a proper noun. It's the name of a person, place, or thing. It should be specific, like India, Shakespeare, Ganga, river. Then common noun, the general name for people, places, or thing. It's a general name like country, writer, river. Then the concrete nouns. So nouns we can experience with our five senses. We can touch it, we can see it, like rose, music, perfume. Abstract noun. So these are some ideas, emotions, or qualities. Example, bravery, kindness, and beauty. Countable and uncountable noun. So countable means it has singular and plural forms. Uncountable means it cannot be counted, like milk, rice, and so and so. Okay? In collective noun. So, collective noun is a group of something, a name of a group, a flock of birds. Flock is a collective noun. A bunch of grapes. A bunch is a collective noun. Material noun. Now we are talking about a material. It's a substance or a material from which things are made. Iron, cotton, silver, wood, plastic, all these are material noun. Now let us practice a prompt. The jury gave its verdict. Identify the type of noun in the sentence. So here we have jury as a noun and then gave its verdict. It's as well a noun. So now you can find out which type of noun it is by your own. So here again, here comes your worksheet. Okay. Can you come up with one example for each of these nouns? Write one example for proper noun. Write one example for common noun. Write one example for abstract noun. Write one example for collective noun. Okay, quick. I'll count from 1 to 5. You can finish that in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and if you need more time, don't forget to pause the video. Now, next. So, exercise number 1. Identifying proper and common nouns. We already know what is a proper noun. Proper noun is the specific name of a person, specific name of a place, specific name of a thing. And common nouns are general names. Generally, what do we call for people? Generally, what do we call for a place? Generally, what do we call for a thing? It's like that. Now the question is you have to underline the proper nouns and you have to circle the common nouns in each sentence. So these are the 5 questions. I'm going to count from 1 to 5. You could quickly do that in between or you can pause the video and take more time. I'll read the question once for you. Number 1. India is my country. Number 2. The river Nile is the longest river in the world. Number 3. My friend lives in Mumbai. Number 4. Shakespeare wrote many plays. Number 5. The teacher is very kind. Okay. Now we have 10 more, like 5 more questions. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. She bought a dress from the market. Mr. Smith teaches us maths. The Pacific Ocean is vast. The girl is reading a book. Okay, don't forget if you need more time, you can pause the video and write your answers. So now let me show you the answers. So this is the answer key. So you can pause the video and check whether the answer is correct or not. Exercise number 2. Concrete versus abstract noun. So we already know that concrete nouns can be seen or touched. Concrete noun is a noun which we can touch the object or we can see the object or we can smell it. But abstract nouns, we cannot do it. It's only an idea or a feeling. Here you have to underline the concrete noun and you have to circle the abstract noun. Let us check for the questions. I'm going to read the question. As you need more time to write the answer, you can pause the video and write the answer. Number 1. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Number 2. The cat chased the mouse. Number 3. His bravery was appreciated. Number 4. We hear the thunder last night. Number 5. Friendship is precious. Don't forget, if you need more time, you can pause the video and then you can write the answer. Number 6. The aroma of coffee filled the room. Honesty. Number 7. Honesty is the best policy. Number 8. She held the baby in her arms. Number 9. Love brings happiness. Number 10. The waves crashed on the shore. Never forget, if you need some time, you can pause the audio, you can pause the video and audio, and then you can write the answer. So now here you have the answer key. So just go through the answer key and then complete your questions with answers. And now we have few more exercises with this. But if you want to know, if you want to practice those, subscribe our channel and type questions. Okay? If you type question in the next video, we will give you more questions for you. Okay, so I hope like you really enjoyed this session. So that's nouns for you. The name of people, places, things, and the ideas all neatly packed into different types. Now, the next time someone says grammar is boring, you can proudly say, well, clearly you don't know your nouns yet. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to 5am English Loop for more quick, fun, and practical English lessons. Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and remember, English is not just a subject, it's a lifestyle. Bye. Bye for now.